guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to be doing today is I want to make a peanut butter pie for New Year's. And I'm going to be making my mother-in-law's delicious peanut butter pie. She's known for her peanut butter pie. She gives them to a lot of people. And it's a very, very simple recipe. I think there's like 3 ingredients and it makes 2 peanut butter pies. It's delicious. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this really good peanut butter pie. Okay, you will need 1 cup of confectionery sugar, okay? And then you will need 1 cup of peanut butter, either crunchy or smooth. I'm pretty sure that she uses the crunchy, and I love her pie. So I went ahead, we always use Jif, so I got the extra crunchy, but that's entirely up to you. And then you need 1 large 13-ounce container of Cool Whip of your choice, okay? And our store had buy 1 get 1 free, so I bought 2 8-ounces. It just ended up cheaper that way. And then you need 1/2 of an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. It's that simple, okay? And then you'll need 2 pie crusts because, like I said, it makes 2 pies. Now, I found this at Walmart, and Publix has them as well. It's the pecan pie crust. She normally puts hers in graham cracker, which is very good, but I wanted to try this. And then they also had the walnut pie crust. So I got 1 of each. And I kind of think the pecan will probably be better, but we'll see, okay? And that is all you need. So let me go ahead and flip this down, and we'll start making this delicious peanut butter pie of my mother. I have already put 1 cup of confectionery sugar in here. And then you need 1 cup of peanut butter. Now I went ahead and sprayed mine with some spray, hoping that it would come out easier, but I got busy and I didn't get back to this in time. But I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. Comes out really easy. And you need to do this by hand. You can't use a mixer on this. So we are going to get some exercise. All right, and then what we're going to do is put 1/2 of this cream cheese in here. Mine get kind of, not room temperature because it's still cool, but it's very, very soft, okay? And we are going to take 1/2 of this. I think that looks like 1/2. We are going to put that right in there. And then all you do is just beat this, mix it really with your hand until it's well combined. And it is a little stiff. And then we'll add the Cool Whip. So I'll be back once I get this all mixed. Okay, I have it nicely combined. It really wasn't that hard. It is a little bit of a workout though, but I just kept going like this and then smashing it with this big wooden spoon and then kept going like that, and I got all that well combined. Okay, now all we're going to do is just add this entire package of this Cool Whip right here, and pretend this doesn't say "Be mine." I need some different spatulas, okay? But this is such a light, creamy, delicious peanut butter pie. You can always count on her having peanut butter pie, and I love it. Now I'm going to put all of this in except for just a little bit. I'm going to leave about that much in there. And then if I think I need it, because you're only supposed to put in 13 ounces total. And then we just combine this. So I'll be back once this is fully combined. Okay, and after you continue mixing it, this is what you get. And I want you to know I had a taste test. It's divine. Tastes just like hers. Oh my gosh. All right, then you just put, like I said, it makes 2 pies. So we're going to spread this out. I think I may give this extra pie to our neighbors. They're a real sweet elderly couple. Okay, and it is that simple, and we have 2 delicious homemade peanut butter pies, and they're really not hard to make. Plus, I get to lick the leftovers. It's a win-win. Now, all we have to do is put these in the refrigerator to set up, and it's best to do it overnight, and then tomorrow we'll have delicious peanut butter pie. Let me call my husband and we'll get his opinion. Hey, honey, you want a piece of this peanut butter pie? I'm actually filming this on Christmas Eve to go up later, so he's been in there wrapping presents, okay? Let's see how this tastes. This is so good. It's light, creamy.
Love the crust too.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the crust. It's good. So like I said, I'll put the recipe in the description box below if you want to make this absolutely delicious and easy peanut butter pie. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.